If you want to completely hide your Facebook profile and make it more private, let's launch the app. Go to Menu, then go to Settings. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, enter how people find and contact you. Now here's the catch. You cannot directly hide your Facebook account, but you can change a few settings here that will make you hidden everywhere people try to search for you. Like you can limit who can send you a friend request to friends of friends, and you can set who can see your friend list to only me. And then in who can Facebook suggest your profile based on your email, set to no one. And then people who got your phone number, set it to no one as well. Now, additionally, you can toggle off this option so people will never find your profile from Googling or from other search engines. But lastly, even if someone finds you, make sure they can't contact you by setting all these message request options to don't receive requests. And then tap Save to update the settings. But you're not done yet unless I let you know about another option. Now, people can track you from any public comment section or tagging, so to limit your profile visibility from your profile, tap on these three dots and then select Lock Your Profile. And now, very limited info will show up for stalkers and they won't be able to view or even download your profile picture or cover photo or any other information. And these are the ways you can hide your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.